All right, guys, time for another heavy hitters football. Let's see if we can do one better than what we just pulled. So let's see if we can pull a Mahomes or a Brady. So every spot gives you one random division. Got 8 spots all together in this one. So Caleb's got 2. John MC with 1 in this. Donnie's got 1. Chris W with 1. John MU's got 1. Brian F with 1. And then Richard D picked up the last spot. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the divisions first. All right, let's randomize this 5 times as well and then match them up. Don't forget, guys, we got all of our eBay stuff coming up next, and then our giveaways we'll do at the very end. All right, here we go. So, Brian, you've got the NFC North. Caleb, you've got the AFC North and the AFC West. There you go for any Mahomes. Chris W with the NFC South. Donnie's got the AFC South. John MC with the NFC West. John MU's got the AFC East. And then Richard, you've got the NFC East. All right, come on. All right, a couple cards in this one. Oh. We got a Brady, and it's a Contenders. Dude, if that was a Contenders rookie, that would be nuts. 2002 playoff Contenders Brady. It's graded an 8. Wish that had an auto on it or something. So AFC East, John MU, that's you. And then, oh, here we go. Dang, too bad it's not a higher grade. Got a Beckett graded 9 on a Justin Herbert. Donruss rated rookie. AFC West on that, which will be Caleb. Not bad there. No subs on that. And that'll do it for Heavy Hitters number 2. So we'll get those cards in the mail to you tomorrow. And I appreciate you guys joining us on this one. Be on the lookout for more individual box breaks of this in the weeks to come.